Hello everybody, this video is going to be about the best settings for the recording program called Action. Basically what I'm recording with right now. So let's get into this. As you might know, I'm recording using this program, so I do presume to know some stuff about it, and I do, so let's get into it. As I'm recording this, some settings I won't be able to show you, but I'll explain them. So let's begin about the settings here. Well, the general ones. You want to have English and that, check for updates, leave that stuff, that's pretty fine. There's just some settings you may want to consider if you want to. That's my settings. Video, I always put it high. You can put it ultra, 100% bitrate. Um, I use multi-call recording. I don't know what that is, but yeah, and I record my mouse cursor. The visualize mouse clicks looks really bad, so I just don't use it. For audio, I just use the 512 bitrate. For the HUD, um, I just use these settings. Export, I use NVIDIA, NVNC, the settings, and I export them to this folder, which you can change here. The hotkeys, you can adjust these. I don't personally use them as much, so yeah. Here, what is this? This is a benchmarking, which you can test your computer, I guess. Uh, You can capture screenshots. Uh, can also add multi-channel audio recording and stuff, which you don't want really use, I guess. You can even go live with this. Um, so yeah, you can even adjust settings for it. The most important set's gonna be this: what you want to capture, your screen, your game, an area you wanna select, or a device. So I'm using a screen, and I got MP4. That's probably the best. Intel quick sync video. Honestly, just choose whichever works for you. It doesn't really matter. Video size original. Well, for me it's 1080p, but if your screen is 720p, then it's gonna record 720p. And you can even put your own dimensions. FPS, of course, I'm gonna put 60, but you can change it. VFR, I don't know really what that means, but I just use that. Active screens, desktop one. You could have multiple screens. It will show them here. My primary sound device, my headset, and my headset again here for the microphone here for the sounds. And that's about it. I want to keep this short, but yeah, that's my settings, what I use. And if you want, you can even access the output folder and go here and stuff and access everything. So yeah, that's gonna be about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please leave a like.